Okay, I'm Max Wilkinson. Today I'm going to share my testimony of my experience using the LifeWave patches. So I started using the patches a month ago and I've had a lot of great results. I'm going to go back to when I first started my health journey. I always had gut issues when I was a little kid. I have really bad autoimmunity and gut issues on both sides of my family. So growing up, I had a lot of gut issues, going to school, and this kind of was alongside some insomnia that I was always dealing with. I would always have gut issues throughout the day, and then that would stress my body out, and then I would be super amped up and in a fight or flight state, and I wouldn't be able to sleep at night. And then just not sleeping and having to go to school just really kind of led to a lot of gut issues, health issues. My legs were super atrophied, and I played sports growing up, and I ran weird because my legs were so atrophied that I got bullied a lot, and it was just overall kind of a really hard experience. I went through a lot of pain on a day-to-day basis, unfortunately, and so I kind of started trying to combat all these health issues when I was about 14. So I started, turns out I was a celiac, so I stopped eating gluten at around the age of 14. And I've honestly tried all the health hacks, all the diets, all the herbs, superfoods. I've tried it all really. And honestly, nothing has really come close to the way that the LifeWave patches have made me feel. I've never felt so grounded and connected to like my light and positivity, and I've found myself able to sleep really deep, and for the first time in my life I'm not looking forward to going to sleep throughout the day. I'm actually finding myself not wanting to go to sleep at night because I'm so excited for the next day, which has been completely life-changing. And I always had really bad acne. I did always have red bumps all over my arms and legs growing up, and for the first time those have all completely cleared up, and my blackheads have gone away, and my mental clarity and just my mood throughout the day is unreal. And yeah, it's just been completely life-changing, and I would recommend it. Again, I've tried everything, and this is the first thing that has really been a game changer. And I wouldn't say that a magic pill does exist, but if a magic pill on this earth did exist, I can confidently say it would be LifeWave. So super glad to be a part of this community and to be a part of the awakening that's going to happen with these patches. So thank you.